Hello YouTube, Blue CFL here. Happy Fire Alarm Friday, and today I'll be unboxing another fire alarm device. I already opened up the top tape, just so I don't have to mess around with any sharp objects while I'm holding a camera. That's right, I haven't gotten a tripod yet. Don't say anything. Alright, we got lots of these foamy things that I hate. Peanuts. And we have the device, which you can already see the rear of it. Oh great, Blue's going to have to do a lot of cleaning up after this. Right, so you can see it's got gears, which must mean it has moving parts. Based by the sound, you can kind of tell it's made out of metal or some type of other object related to that. Other material. So, here it is. It is upside down. It is a coded pull station. It is coded 521. Open door pull lever, as the instruction states. Autocall company. Type FA. Pull down lever and let go. I haven't tested this thing yet because I just pulled it out of the box. Take some force. You can hear it cranking and clicking in there. There you have it. This is my first coded pull station. I hope to hook this up to a 120 volt device at some point to show you guys what it sounds like connected to a fire horn. I gotta go eat dinner, so I'm gonna cut this video off here. Thank you for watching. Blue CFL out.